Hello guys, my name is Rahul Kegra. I have more than 27 years of IT experience. Today I want to discuss on very serious or maybe maybe whenever I'm looking at any job requirement, what is asked? Applicant must be hands-on. Does it mean that even GABBAR can expect but not THAKUR? No, it should never be the case because hands have never any capability of thinking. It's overall knowledge, wisdom, overall experience, or maybe perspective of a person, or maybe logic or decision taking power that makes the difference. So let us analyze this particular requirement. Applicant must be hands-on with a practical example. If I discuss about the field of data analytics, the objective or the principle of the data analytics is to derive business value from the raw data, and this has never changed. Even if we are talking about 10th century, 4th century, even 21st century, what is the principle behind doing data analytics? Is to derive business value from the raw data. It has never changed. So if we talk about IT service industry, right from the 1GL to 5GL languages, whenever we are implementing or writing any query, the logic is based on to derive the business value from the raw data, and it has not changed 1% from the 4th century, and it is not going to change 1% although till 15th century. That's what I think. So even if I talk about the tools like BI, big data, that may have hundreds, thousands of tools, maybe or maybe doing the same purpose or solving the same purpose, deriving business value from the raw data. So all tools are similar, but the names are different. Maybe some menu options are different. So it is practically impossible for any data analytics professional to have so-called hands-on on this thousands of tools. So what is required is the logic, the knowledge of that associate. If he has good knowledge of the principle behind any service like data analytics, then if he has developed the logic, and if he has acquired the appropriate knowledge to implement that logic, it will take just couple of hours to him to make himself comfortable to be so-called hands-on. That is what is required. So according to me, the best mix to identify a suitable resource should be here given in the description. Okay, thank you very much.